Welcome back to our channel, where we bring the future to your fingertips. Today, we're folding the limits of what smartphones can do, because we're diving into the top 5 best foldable phones in 2025. Whether you're looking for powerhouse performance, sleek design, or just want to flex that futuristic flip in public, we've got the ultimate lineup just for you. And yes, we've dropped links to all these foldables down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get folding. Coming in at number 5, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Google's folding beauty is smarter than ever with AI baked right in. With a stunning 7.9-inch LTPO OLED inner display, Tensor G4 chip, and crazy good camera magic, this phone blends Pixel smarts with foldable finesse. Unfold the future with the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, the most advanced and versatile Pixel yet. Powered by Google's latest AI innovations, including Gemini, this foldable smartphone redefines what's possible in the palm of your hand. Whether you're multitasking, capturing stunning photos, or simply staying connected, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is built to do it all, effortlessly. Featuring the largest display ever on a Pixel, this foldable phone transforms from a compact device into an immersive tablet-like experience. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or editing photos, the ultra-vibrant, scratch-resistant screen delivers breathtaking clarity and durability. Its sleek obsidian finish, silky matte glass back, and redesigned camera bar add a premium touch, while also making it the thinnest foldable phone available. Capture life's best moments with ease using the advanced triple rear camera system. From ultra-clear selfies to stunning astrophotography, every shot is enhanced with powerful Google AI. Thanks to its flexible design and tabletop mode, you can shoot hands-free videos, group photos, or even time-lapse. No tripod required. Enjoy the freedom of an unlocked device that works seamlessly with Google Fi, Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, and all major carriers. Choose your plan, your way. Plus, you'll get a free year of Gemini Advanced with the Google One AI Premium Plan, a $239 value, unlocking a whole new world of AI-powered productivity and creativity. Whether you're a multitasker, content creator, or just love having the latest tech in your pocket, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is designed to fit your lifestyle. It's not just a smartphone, it's a smart companion, ready to fold into your world. Next up at number 4 is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The OG of foldables just keeps leveling up. This beast now features a sleeker hinge, better durability, and a brighter, more immersive display. Perfect for power users who want to turn their phone into a mini workstation on the fly. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is more than just a phone. It's your all-in-one productivity powerhouse, entertainment hub, and intelligent assistant, beautifully crafted in a stunning silver shadow finish. With its expansive, immersive foldable display, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 offers a tablet-sized experience in your pocket. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, gaming with console-level graphics, or multitasking across 3 windows at once, this phone is built to handle it all, smoothly and effortlessly. Discover like never before with Circle to Search powered by Google. Just circle an item on your screen, shoes, bags, landmarks, and get instant results without typing a single word. It's intuitive, fast, and designed to work seamlessly on the large, brilliant display. Say goodbye to language barriers with a hands-free live interpreter. With support for up to 16 languages, Flex Mode lets both sides of the screen display live translations, making in-person conversations with anyone, anywhere, easier than ever. Love capturing memories? The Galaxy Z Fold 6 makes editing just as fun. Thanks to AI photo edits, you can enhance, retouch, and creatively transform your photos using tools like generative edit, object removal, and color enhancement, all with a tap and swipe on the large screen. Need to work, chat, and shop all at once? No problem. With multi-window view, you can open and use up to 3 apps simultaneously. Whether you're organizing your life or simply enjoying it, this foldable is designed to keep up. Unlocked and compatible with all major US carriers, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 gives you the freedom to choose your plan, your way. Plus, You're covered with a 1-year U.S. manufacturer warranty for peace of mind. At number 3, prepare to be amazed by the Honor Magic V3, because this phone is pure elegance and innovation. Thinner, lighter, and classier than ever, the V3 is redefining what a foldable phone should feel like. It's rocking flagship performance with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and the battery life. Experience the cutting edge of mobile innovation with the Honor Magic V3 5G, a bold, ultra-slim foldable smartphone that merges high-end performance with sleek, futuristic design. Crafted for those who demand style, power, and flexibility, the Magic V3 takes your everyday mobile experience to extraordinary heights. Featuring a stunning 7.92-inch folding OLED display, this phone seamlessly transforms from a compact device into a vibrant, tablet-like screen. Whether you're multitasking, streaming, or editing on the go, the crisp resolution on the inner screen and outer display ensure every image is sharp and immersive. Powered by a robust 3 GHz processor and a generous 12 GB of RAM, the Magic V3 delivers lightning-fast performance, perfect for smooth app switching, high-end gaming, or running multiple tasks simultaneously. With 512 GB of storage, you'll have ample space for apps, media, and everything else you need to carry your world with you. Running on Android 14, this international version of the Honor Magic V3 offers a clean, modern interface with global 5G connectivity and dual SIM support. It's unlocked for all GSM carriers, making it the perfect device for frequent travelers or users who value ultimate carrier flexibility. Despite its powerful internals, the Magic V3 remains ultra-sleek and surprisingly lightweight, redefining what a foldable phone can be. It's not just a smartphone, it's a productivity tool, an entertainment hub, and a design statement all in one. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, digital creative, or someone who simply loves having the latest and greatest, the Honor Magic V3 delivers unmatched versatility, speed, and style. At number 2, we've got a modern throwback that never goes out of style. The Motorola Razr Ultra. It's a flip phone reborn with attitude, style, and some serious upgrades. The outer display is bigger, better, and super useful. Reply to texts, snap selfies, or play music, all without flipping open. Meet the Motorola Razr Plus, the future of flip phones with a bold new twist. Designed to turn heads and power your day, this ultra-compact foldable brings iconic style, flagship performance, and Moto AI intelligence together in a sleek, midnight blue finish wrapped in soft vegan leather. At the heart of the Razr Plus is the largest, most intelligent external display ever seen on a flip phone. With a stunning 4.0-inch touchscreen, you can respond to messages, use apps, stream media, and even interact with Google Gemini AI, all without ever opening the phone. It's not just smart, it's effortless. Flip it open, and you're greeted by a full-size display and all the power of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. With speeds up to 3 GHz, 12 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage, this phone delivers blazing fast performance for everything from gaming to multitasking. Powered by an intelligent AI engine for enhanced efficiency. Capture your world like never before with the advanced 50MP AI-powered camera system, complete with a 2x telephoto lens. Thanks to Moto AI, shooting pro-level photos and videos is easy, even in tough conditions. Use Flex View to unlock creative angles, hands-free selfies, and even camcorder-style recording for a fresh take on mobile photography. And with a 4,000 mAh battery, the Razr Plus keeps going all day and night. Running low? No worries. Get hours of power in just 12 minutes with 45W turbo power charging. Slim, stylish, and built to impress, the Motorola Razr Plus blends nostalgic charm with next-gen tech. Whether you're creating content, staying connected, or making a statement, this flip phone folds neatly into your lifestyle. Motorola nailed that balance between nostalgia and next-gen tech. And finally, claiming number 1 spot is the OnePlus Open. This foldable has taken the tech world by storm in 2025. With insane performance, ultra-fast charging, and a gorgeous display that opens up into a productivity paradise. It's hands down one of the most refined foldables on the market. Open your world to a whole new era of mobile technology with the OnePlus Open, a flagship foldable that redefines power, style, and versatility. With a massive 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, and a sleek, ultra-premium Voyager black finish, this foldable smartphone blends cutting-edge performance with sophisticated design. Unfold the stunning 7.82-inch 2K AMOLED display and immerse yourself in ultra-smooth visuals, thanks to a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching, working, or gaming, the ultra-sharp resolution ensures everything looks vivid and fluid. And when folded, the OnePlus Open becomes a compact powerhouse that fits comfortably in your hand or pocket. Powering it all is a robust 4,805 mAh battery that's built to last from sunrise to well past sunset. Need a quick top-up? With 67W SuperVOOC fast charging, you'll go from low to ready in minutes. No waiting required. The photography experience is just as impressive. Co-engineered with Hasselblad, the OnePlus Open's camera system delivers breathtaking images with pro-grade precision. From wide-angle landscapes to close-up portraits, every shot is full of rich detail and natural color. Powered by advanced AI features for intelligent scene recognition and real-time optimization. Running on Android 13, the OnePlus Open brings a fast, clean, and customizable interface that's perfect for productivity and play. Plus, with dual SIM support and US factory unlock compatibility, you're free to use the carrier of your choice, anytime, anywhere, including international travel. With premium build quality, blazing fast performance, and an immersive foldable display, the OnePlus Open is more than just a smartphone. It's a powerful companion for those who expect more from their devices. And there you have it, the top 5 best foldable phones in 2025. From sleek flips to powerhouse folds, 2025 is the year foldables truly unfold their full potential. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to know. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Hit subscribe for more tech goodness. And turn on the bell so you never miss a fold-worthy update. Until next time, stay folded, stay fabulous.